Help me forgive, just as you've done, to let go of pain. Your work has begun. Help me to live so others can see the light of your love shine